Alrighty, well, I just thought I'd film a little bit, show everybody how much snow we got here. I just got done plowing my driveway. I can't remember, I think they said we got about 14 inches, something like that, I don't know. Anyway, there's just a little idea, give you an idea. Oh, there goes a helicopter. I don't know if I got that or not. Oh well. Here's a look at our backyard. Just kind of give you an idea. The YMCA is closed today, so I thought I'd get a workout and do a little bit by hand. I got my work cut out for me though. I started shoveling to my garage. There was no snow here yesterday, but now as you can see there's quite a bit. That's our garage there in the back. There's my truck covered with snow as usual. Oh well, I guess spring isn't here yet. At least not by North Dakota standards anyway. Okie dokie. Well, Merry winter to everybody. Over and out.